Alrighty, Aaron, here's your 347 small block 4. Give you a description of this combination. Got a set of our CNC heads on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller, Edelbrock air gap, Brawler carburetor, MSD Pro Billet, beautiful front end on it, all chromed out. Front and sump oil pan. Got your custom Shelby covers, beautiful. Love the red. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,600, 396 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 445, peak horsepower 486, rated at 500, front end's about 20, so everything's good. What we'll do next, pull the pipes back, make sure exhaust's good and clean for you, and show you a couple other little things. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, find a single credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. Got all your engine build specs, dyno video, tech stuff. Highly recommend plugging in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number on it and some other specifications. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up if you need anything from us. If you flip it over, on the other side, QR code, hover over that, take you to our site, some more technical stuff. So highly recommend watch all this stuff. It'll really help your installation. Have a great day.